Good morning students, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am going to teach you class 4 subject mathematics. Today our topic is multiples. Multiples is the seventh topic of chapter number 2, factors and multiples. Alright, what is a multiple of a number? How we can find the multiple of a number? How to find the common multiple and how to find the LCM. Alright, these are the concepts according to which you are going to solve the exercise 2F on page number 45 and 46. So, what is a multiple of a number? I'll explain you with the help of this example. 3 multiplied by 4 is equals to 12. The product of these two numbers is 12. That means 4 and 3 are the factors of 12. 4 and 3 are the factors of 12 because 12 comes in both of these tables. Alright, but 12 is the multiple of 4 and 3. How? Therefore, we define the definition of multiple. A multiple of a number is the product. A multiple of a number is the product when the given number is multiplied by another number. When the given number 3 is multiplied by another number, we get the multiple of the given number. So the factors of 12 are 3 and 4, and 12 is a multiple of 3 and 12 is a multiple of 4. There is another definition of multiples which I'll explain you from the book. Open page number 39 of your book. Here you see there are 3 divisions in which the remainder is 0. That means these divisions are totally complete. There is no leftover in these divisions. That means whenever 100 divided by 10, the answer is 10. There is no leftover. It completely divides. 1000 divided by 10, the answer is 100. It completely divides it. There is no leftover. 10,000 divided by 10, the answer is 1000. It completely divides. Here 100, 1000 and 10,000 are the multiples of 10. So this is the another definition of multiple. A multiple is therefore a number. These are the numbers which are multiple, which can be divided by another number. These numbers are divided by 10 without leaving any remainder. There is no remainder, there is no leftover. So multiple is a number which can divided by another number without leaving any remainder. Also see this example in this form. When 12 divided by 4, the answer is 3 and remainder is 0 because there is no leftover. 12 completely divides by 4. Whenever 12 divided by 3, the answer is 4. That means 12 completely divided by 3. 4 and 3 are the factors of 12. But 12 is completely divided by these numbers without leaving any remainder. So that is why 3 and 4 are the factors of 12 and 12 is the multiple of 3 and 4. In the next lecture video, I'll explain you how to find the multiple of a given number. Till then, thank you.